Here's a long division review problem. First of all, in order to start, we want to see how many terms are on the outside. There are 2 terms on the outside, x and 7. So we're going to count 2 terms in, which means that our first value is going to go right above the x that's on the inside. So we're going to ask ourselves, what times x will give us 2x squared? We're looking at the first terms on the inside and the outside. We know that 2x times x will give us 2x squared. We want those first terms to match each time. And then we're going to also have to multiply 2x times the other term on the outside, the 7, to give us 14x. And then don't forget, when we do this, we need to subtract each of these terms. When we do that, the first term should always cancel. We have negative x minus 14x is negative 15x. We bring down the 15. And now we do it all again. Once again, we're looking at the first term on the outside and the first term down here. What times x would give us negative 15x? The answer is negative 15. It goes right there. Negative 15 needs to be multiplied by each of the terms on the outside. Negative 15 times x is negative 15x. And then negative 15 times 7, the other term on the outside, gives us negative 105. Once again, subtract. Running out of room here. When we do that, the first terms cancel. We have 15 minus negative 105. Let me go to another slide here. From the previous slide, we had 15. Get it up on the screen here. We had 15 minus a negative 105 is what we had when we ran out of room. Remember, subtracting a negative, same as adding a positive. So 120 is our remainder. Now let's see if we can write our answer. From our first slide, we had 2x minus 15 as our answer so far on top. We just figured out that 120 was our remainder. So when we write that with our answer, since the 120 is positive, we're adding 120. And we're going to divide it by what we divided by initially, which was x plus 7. And we now have our answer, 2x minus 15 plus 120 over x plus 7.